Dalam berita itu, salah seorang penumpang pesawat penerbangan Singapore Airlines yang mengalami gelora udara kuat menyifatkan kejadian berlaku dengan sangat pantas. Dzafran Azmir berusia 28 tahun memberitahu situasi bermula ketika pesawat mula berada dalam kedudukan tidak seimbang, seterusnya berlaku penurunan drastik dalam masa 10 saat.
Contrary to what some reporting has said about it being like a 3-minute thing or whatnot, I think the entire thing happened within the span of like less than 10 seconds. Like it was really, really quick. Which is why like I think nobody could really respond to it. Like in my recollection of what happened, I was in my chair and I think I was resting at that point, but I was belted in, and you could start feeling that the airplane was entering some kind of turbulence. So the plane starts shaking, and at that point, like I just know that okay, well I'm just gonna like huddle in, but like it kept getting worse and worse and worse.
Sementara itu, Biro Siasatan Keselamatan Pengangkutan Singapura (TSIB) melancarkan siasatan terhadap insiden tersebut. Lembaga Keselamatan Pengangkutan Kebangsaan Malaysia Syarikat turut menghantar wakil untuk sokongan.